If you've had the pleasure of having a white chocolate champagne truffle, you're going to love these. This is going to be a champagne bottle made out of chocolate and then filled with white chocolate champagne ganache. Thanks for joining us at Artisan Cakes. It's time for another tip of the day. I've started off by getting some nice white chocolate couvertures and heavy cream. I have microwaved the heavy cream to a scald. You can also do this in a saucepan. Basically bring it up so that it's warm enough to melt your chocolate without going boiling. While I have this here, I'm going to add some sparkling wine flavoring. This is fantastic. This is Lorien's concentrated oils. And I add sparkling wine to anything that I want to have that wonderful hint of champagne flavor. So there we go. Oh yeah, I can smell it already. It's amazing. All right, I'm gonna pop this in the microwave and slowly warm it up to melt it and combine it all together. If you've had the pleasure of having a white chocolate champagne truffle, you're going to love these. This is going to be a champagne bottle made out of chocolate and then filled with white chocolate champagne ganache. You can also add a little bit of heavy whipping cream right before you fill it. Basically whip up that whipping cream and make it a lighter consistency so that it's a little bit lighter and more mousse-like. I'm using a ceramic or stoneware bowl. It helps hold the residual heat and does most of the work without causing overheating of my chocolates. Last thing I'm gonna do is accidentally burn the chocolate. Next, we're gonna build up our white chocolate mousse. It's not really a mousse, it's more like a diplomat cream. So we're gonna start with heavy whipping cream. We're going to add a little bit of a vanilla bean paste. Obviously, we buy it in bulk. 1 teaspoon to tablespoon, depending on how much vanilla bean you like. And as this begins to whip up, we're going to stream in a little bit of our white chocolate sparkling champagne. Perfect. Don't let it go too long because it could break on you. You want it to be light and fluffy, but we don't want it to curdle. Of course, I recommend tasting it to make sure it has the right flavor profile. You definitely get the champagne. And the white chocolate with that hint of vanilla. Perfect.